एक बात सुनी मैंने आपके बारे में।
क्या?
अब मुझे पता नहीं है वो सच है कि नहीं। आपने टूरिज्म में ग्रेजुएशन किया है?
हाँ।
ये क्या होता है टूरिज्म?
This video clip shows the level of awareness we have in India about tourism. That's why I have come up with a series of videos covering important topics related to travel and tourism, like career opportunities in this sector, etc. My name is Navendu Partharthi. I am a tourism management graduate from Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, or IITTM Gwalior, with 14 years of experience working with globally diverse and leading travel brands like Best Western Hotels, CUNY Destination Management, etc. Today I am going to discuss on the topic whether you need a tourism degree to enter this industry. My answer to this question is no, it's not mandatory. Let me explain that why. In majority of the travel companies, the eligibility criteria for their entry-level jobs is normally graduation. That include graduates from any stream, whether it is science, commerce or arts. This is mainly because companies have to train even tourism college graduates in the same way as they have to simple graduates. Tourism degree holders stand same as simple graduates because what they learn in tourism college has no relevance with day-to-day work they have to do at travel companies. But then the question is, if travel companies even hire simple graduates, then what is the point of getting a tourism degree? So here are the three important benefits of getting a tourism degree. Number one, industry network. The moment you will join your first job in a travel company, you will have a ready network of 50 people who were your classmate, and now all of them must have joined some other travel companies along with you. These friends come industry network will help you stay on top of the latest trends in the industry. That will also give you access to better job opportunities and necessary resources to mileage your career development. While on the other hand, simple graduates have to start building this network from scratch. Number two, research. If later in your career you decide to do some research in a topic related to tourism, that time this degree will be beneficial for you. Number three, government jobs. All the government jobs in tourism sector, whether at central or state level, they ask for a tourism degree. So getting a tourism degree has its own benefits, but not having one will also not stop you from entering this industry. That's all for this video. If you have any query or question related to hospitality or travel and tourism sector, please feel free to write in the comment section and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you.